What is up, guys? Informant Joe here from OptionInformants.com. I just wanted to show you guys what we have been working on. Super exciting tool. I call it the Bible. It's something that traders should live by. This is definitely a great tool for beginning traders. So let me dive right in. This only works on TradingView.com. We coded in PineScript to create this algorithm that actually gives you trades, and this is so cool that you don't even have to see the bars to trade. So let's look at that statement and let's prove it out really quick. So you can see the dots here. These are buy indicators, and we will look at those in a sec. And then if I was just to pop this guy up, I mean, we could just trade with this. This is going to tell us what to do the whole time. And this isn't, I'm not selling you snake oil here. This is tried and true. We've got 71% win percent plus win percentage over the course of 10 years. All the data is going to be available. We will provide it all to you guys. But this also includes a risk management strategy, which is why I say it's great for beginning traders. It's great for me. It's great for anybody who's, at work and, can't trade. This is a fantastic platform. So let's look a little bit more into it. If you go to this data window, so when you enter TradingView, it might look something like this. Then you want to go to this data window. This is where the Bible's at, guys. This is what is going to tell you. This is going to tell you how to trade these positions. So if I hover over on the y-axis these dots, you can see them highlight here actually. So you'll see number 4 and 5 light up. Okay. So these are both long positions. You can choose to play this however you choose. These tell you here that these are typically going to appear together. These probably will always appear together, the white and purple, and they will tell you what's your risk. I mean, what's your risk tolerance? What can you handle, and how do you want to play this? Another thing I want to point out is that, I want to brag a little bit that this whole bottom area is picked out by our algorithm, and you can see it just fly up. But outside of that, let's look at orange, right? So orange is important because personally, orange, not personally, but orange is a bidirectional position. So that means that if the market goes up or down, you're going to win. So I believe personally that orange supersedes any other position. The profit's much smaller. You see a 20% profit, but we want to take what the market gives us. Over the course of time, it's proven out that the S&P 500 year over year returns about between 8 and 10%. If I can get 20% and I can compound that over the course of a week or the course of a couple days, I'm going to beat that out every single time. That's why this is important. So, and another thing is, I mean, if this is telling you that you want to go bidirectional, you can see the choppiness here. I mean, the algorithm picked that up before I could have. I mean, I'm pretty good at picking shit out. I mean, you guys have seen my call outs on Instagram. You guys have seen my call outs in the community. I am pretty spot on when I see things. I could never call that out. The choppiness that's what you want to avoid, right? So, I might have been long on this, and the long didn't happen till up here in this area. But we got the sharpness, but this guy picked it up. I trust this proven strategy. I'm taking this 20% all day long. There's one other thing I want to show you. I want to explain these reds and how they work. So let's go over. Just gotta find a red or a yellow. Sorry. So the yellows pair with the reds. Dude. Microsoft at $40. It's got to be like 5 years ago. Yeah, that is 5 years ago. So you have 2 yellows here, and when you see a yellow, you buy, whatever the rule is, right? I mean, I'm just making that shorthand for you. I'll explain what all these mean in another video, but this is a sneak preview. So you see the yellows, you buy, and then at the red you sell. So this moved a couple bucks. 43, and let's say we got in at the top here, so we're at 40, so it moved like 80 cents or something. You might have made 5% on that. But again, remember, 5% in a couple days over, 5% twice over 2 days, and then over like if you compound that, it beats out the S&P 500 over the year. And that's what this allows. And one other key component of this algorithm is that we can implement alerts that go straight to our phone so that we don't miss these. We can have a watch list and we set these up, and we're at work, we see the alert, we open up our brokerage app and we enter the position. We can even enter the exit and entry strategy all right here because it's here. This is the Bible. Let's go to the alerts really quick. Create an alert. Let's go to the swinger. And I typically do once per minute as my alert. It happens once per day, so it's not going to give you that like once per minute thing. It'll give you the alert once it happens, and if it's not continuously happening and the trading market's closed, then you're fine. So these indicators happen once per day because we're on the daily chart. These, let me notate, these only work for the daily chart. They work on other time frames, but they're proven out on the daily chart. So then you just go to the notify on app. Got it. You can send an email. Later on, we're going to add functionality to go straight to our community. So if you're trading, you don't have to hear an alert from me because I know I'm annoying, but you will get the alert from a bot in our community. So we're working on that right now. But if you click these three here, you will see this pop up. It'll show you what to buy, what to sell, and or when to buy, when to sell, what option to buy. And that's it. I mean, it's mindless. And this is important. If you follow this, you will be successful. You can have a 90% trading strategy and you could still lose money, which is incredible. And that's the craziness about the market, is that if you don't use probabilities, if you don't use statistics, if you don't understand how to manage your losses, your wins aren't going to matter. That the 10% of the time that you lose, they will blow your account out, guaranteed. You can have a 99% strategy, but that 1% that you lose will blow your account out because you're not managing that. And this is proven. This will help you out. All the data, I'll get it together for you guys. It'll all be on our site, all back tested. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is super exciting for us. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as well.